Hello, my name is Jeff and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. This is a 1995 Jeep Wrangler. As you can see, it's been redone, restored. Just about everything's been gone through on it. Has a lift kit. Runs and drives excellent. The body's in beautiful condition. It's been driven very little since the restoration and stored. It's never been wet since it was restored. It's got the sport seats. Here's a look at the floor. It's in great shape. Please take a look at the photos on our website. Lots of photos from underneath. It looks fantastic. Very nicely done. Here's a look at the dashboard. Everything's been redone on the inside as well. It's got a premium sound system. Start it up. Runs great. Really drives good. Look at the gauges. Good oil pressure. Here's a listen from the rear. Exhaust sounds good, no leaks. Really unique Jeep, very nicely done. Lots of time and money put in this 95 Wrangler. Please give us a call and we'd love to tell you more about it.